G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 4th, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. You can see here on the weekly, we're still in a downtrend with our CCI turning down. However, on the daily, we're showing some level of potential bounce, and I'll drill down on this in a minute. So we only trade on the hourly based on primarily the weekly and a daily when they're aligned. So carefully, we'll just hold off any trading. So at the moment on the daily, you can see there it actually hit this resistance at 94.30, came down, hit this minor support at 87.02, and that was about halfway between the 38 and the 50% level of that Fibonacci range. So still overall in the upper area here, but we saw a bit of a downturn in those days, but we may start seeing a bit of a bounce again, as I said, if this continues to the upside. So I'll keep an eye on that on the daily. On the hourly, you can see there more closely. The way you would have traded this, the trend actually, you would have said right back here when it was breaking below on the weekly, when it broke below on this moving average here, and it also broke below this moving average 20 at that point. You would have taken the short trades in this area there. You can see where they're all aligned on the weekly, daily. So you would have gone short at that period there and traded it down and potentially closed it out at either on the moving average 2 or the moving average 20. So depending on your risk appetite and your strategy, that's just one idea of trading it. And you would have probably re-entered it back at that point there, going short again, closed it out there, entered it there, and closed it out there again. Now there's no divergence to talk of here. The CCI is moving in alignment with the price. So again, looking at it more closely, if it does breach and break down to the downside, we'll see the CCI break as well. We'll need to then monitor it and see if it's going to bounce off the 50% or even the 61% is always a key area. If it breaks below that, we're going to see a lot further declines longer term. So to understand how to trade some of the trend trading strategies, but also divergence strategies, subscribe to the Patreon page where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in a future video.